So hey users, today we will learn how to add extensions in VS Code. So without any wasting your time, let's after opening your VS Code, just click mark all on everything, and now you will see and go to the fifth option and search here Python. Now you will see three extensions here. Just wait a while, and now you can see three extensions provided by Microsoft. Install three of them, and now after installation, go to the first option because you have to create a file to run your Python codes. So now go to the first option, and now go to the file, and after that you have to go to open folder, and yeah, otherwise you can create new one. In your finder you can create new one, but I have already created a Python folder and I will open it. After that you have to make a directory. Just click I trust, and now make a file. Just remember, in all code of Python you have to add python.py like hello.py. So enter your first code, and before running the code you have to download a file from this from this web, Python 3.3. Go to the downloads, and now you can see Python 3.3, and after downloading just open your finder and now double click on it. Now click on continue, again continue, and again continue, agree, and again install. Now enter your password here. Just click on your password, and now you can see the Python 3.3 installation begins. After installation, just go to the VS Code back. Now done, click on done and move to trash. The old file will be go to the trash, and now go to the search bar and search here Python, and just click on Python 3.3 and run the code. And now here you can see the hello word as we type. And also you can access your VS Code and code from terminal. For that you have to open your terminal in your MacBook. After opening terminal, type a code code. Oh sorry, just wait a second. Open your VS Code again, go to the search, and now type here shell command. Type here shell command. You have to find shell command install. Don't forget to add this symbol in the first, and now click on shell command installation, and now okay. Enter your password. After entering your password, just click on OK, and now continue of it. Now okay, and then okay, and then now go to the terminal again and type here code code, and here you go. And now just wait for a while, and you can see here your VS Code opens automatically from terminal. Now you hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.